Did you know that your name is not the only way that someone can find you on LinkedIn? They can find you with your phone number or your email address. So if you have that colleague or that boss who's so curious to know what you're doing on LinkedIn and interested in your activity on LinkedIn, you need to know that there are other ways that they can look you up. And most likely they have that information in terms of your email or your phone number. So there are ways that you can turn those settings off on your LinkedIn profile, and that's what we're talking about today. So you're going to go to Me right up here and then head to Settings and Privacy. When you are in Settings and Privacy, you will then go to Visibility right here on the side. And you'll see in Visibility, I encourage you to go through all of these settings and make sure that they're turned on the way that you want them to be turned on or off, just to make sure that the privacy settings align with how you want to be visible on LinkedIn or off LinkedIn. So you can see here that there's 3 privacy settings, and these are the ones that we're going to be talking about today. So there's profile discovery and visibility off LinkedIn. So this is, do you want people who have services, for example, like Outlook, to be able to gain visibility to your LinkedIn profile? This is for you to choose yes or no. As you may know, LinkedIn is owned by Microsoft, and so some of your information can be shared with affiliates, partners, customers, and other permitted developers. As you can see in the little fonts here, there's a little bit more information. So it's up to you to decide, is this a setting that you want on your profile or not? And you can choose yes or no, whether you want to turn it on or off. The second one that I want you to pay attention to is profile discovery using your email address. So basically the question here is, who can discover your LinkedIn profile or connect with you if they have your email address? Do you want it to be anyone? Do you want it to be first degree, second degree connections, or just first degree connections? And keeping in mind, it says here your first degree connections can always discover you since you're connected to them. So really, there's no point in choosing first degree connection. But why this is important is that, you know, there are websites out there that you can find people's email address. And so if for whatever reason there are certain people that you don't want them to find you on LinkedIn, this is maybe a setting you want to change. Where I've had some clients use this is like some employers who are just too focused on their employees' activities, and they want to know everything that's going on in terms of their usage of LinkedIn. And so we've used these settings to manage it. And in extreme situations, I have advise my clients to block their employer or manager on LinkedIn to get that peace of mind. And I do have another video where I show you how to block or unblock someone on LinkedIn. I'm going to add the link to that right above, because if this is not enough for you and you really need to get that person to know almost that you don't exist on LinkedIn, then actually blocking them is a better option for you. So check out that video if that's what you need. Last option is profile discovery using your phone number. It's very similar to your email. Do you want people to be able to discover you if they have your phone number? So you can choose here second degree connections only or nobody. And this is how you are able to change these settings. At the end of the day, it's all about your comfort level and how much of your information do you want available to people who are searching for you on LinkedIn. If you've decided that this person is connected to you, a first degree connection, they already can see your whole profile. So really these settings don't really matter. But if it is someone who's external, who's not directly connected to you, how much of your profile do you want visible to them? So as I mentioned, there is another video where I show you how to block or unblock someone on LinkedIn. Go ahead and watch that video right here. I'll see you in that one. Take care.